Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to use blocked apps on Family Link. To start with, go to your phone settings, scroll down, then tap Accessibility. In your accessibility settings, click on Interaction and Dexterity. Here you will find the Assistant menu, which refers to the set of easy-to-reach buttons that enable users to replace gestures, hard keys, and other common touch interactions. Toggle the Assistant menu switch to the On position. A new button, the System menu, would appear on your phone screen. You can add or remove your desired options in this button as your needs. Now, after you have crossed the maximum usage limit set by the Google Family Link app, your phone will be automatically locked and you won't be able to use your phone unless parental controls are disabled. However, since you have configured the Dexterity and Interaction option, the System menu would still be appearing on the home screen. Tap this button and choose Recents. All apps that you had used previously when phone was locked would come accessible. For instance, if you were watching videos on YouTube, you can find the last open video and even search for more videos online. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.